Welcome my YouTube channel. Today I told you how to sell more of your ebook online. Have you written an ebook? An ebook is a digital document that can be sold online in a purely digital form. Thus, unlike selling a physical product, the fulfillment of an ebook is done completely online. This is great for you. The other sense you can completely automate the order taking and fulfillment. Once you have the fulfillment process automated, the question becomes how to market the ebook online in order to get people to buy it. How do I effectively market my ebook online? Is one of the most common questions I have from my client. Here are 5 tips that will help you sell more of your ebook and generate more revenue. Find a target market to sell the ebook to. Many people think that everyone is their target market, and as a result try to sell their ebook to everyone. They usually end up chasing after potential customers who are not in their target market and are not likely to even purchase the book. Their ebook sales suffer as a result. Instead of trying to sell your ebook to everyone, concentrate on a smaller group of people who comprise your target market. These people are much more likely to purchase what you have to offer, and as a result you will get more sales. Create an effective sales letter for your ebook. Since you cannot take a picture of your ebook and post it on your website, unlike a prize piece of jewelry, for example, you will need to use the sales letter to promote the ebook. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for Make Money Online.